Jive! Who needs it? We do, because we could all use some brightening up right now. So let's learn the jive in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fun, easy steps. Step 1 to getting the Jive Basic down is footwork. First thing you need is a foot map, so you know where to step. So grab an old pair of suspenders and throw them on the floor to make a Y shape on the ground. If your suspenders aren't sticky, then just use tape. We're gonna have to break some rules and cross that Y. Leaders, footwork. Commence where the Y intersects.
Who goes first?
You do.
You're right.
Always, but your left foot goes first for the leaders. Back left to the stem of the Y. Transferring weight to your left. Then weight shifts onto the right leg, also known as the right foot. Congratulations, you now have a rock step. Again, back and replace. And then step side left just past the plus sign. Now let the right foot say hi to the left foot at the cross point.
Hi.
Finish with a side step to the left. Right foot to the crossing point, then the left foot accompanies the right foot. And finish side right, back to where you began. For a full Jive Basic on the leader's side. Boom!
We did it! Yeah!
Now remember to RMT. Repeat many times to make sure that you do not need BAM, brains anymore. This means you've done it so many times that it's 100% natural, also known as automatic allegization mode. Do it a lot. Rock step, triple step, triple step. And a quick bird's eye view of where your feet would go, just to review. Let's walk around to the other side to get the followers basic. Or we can copy and paste that learning pad. To do the followers basic correctly, you need a splash of color. So, back on the right foot to the tip of the Y, replace left. Can you guess what's next? Spoiler alert, side step right. Close the left foot, side right. Let's rewind that. Side left, close, toes with right, side left. Followers basic complete. You know what to do. Automatic, the thing at the top of the screen there. It's back. Replace, side to get the side to get the side. Just to make sure you really learn it, get your phone and set an alarm at a time that works for you to do this every day for 5 minutes a day for 21 days to build a new habit. Who knows if that's really true, but you'll need to do it every day for a while to get used to it. Time for timing, which is step 2 of learning the jive. Now get these numbers in these spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what about the followers, you ask? Funny you should ask, looks like this. Leaders to the left and followers are right, especially women. So, say the numbers to yourself as you step through the learning pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just keep practicing that. Now the dance business is a tough business. You may have noticed that there is no 7 in the basic jive. And that's because no one ever forgave 7 when 7, 8, 9. So what's up with the We call that a quarter beat. Since time is money, let's use the money metaphor to understand timing. The first step of a triple step, also known as a chasse, is 3/4. The second step, the is a quarter. And the last step is $1. 3/4, quarter, 1. So go fast on the single quarter. Just step, a step. Step, a step. Getting quarter beats down can be rough. Isn't that right? Just as I thought. Very rough. So let's cross-train the rhythm. Just practice along by clapping your hands to the rhythm or tapping your shoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or practice cleaning things other people touched using the rhythm. While you keep counting, getting your timing down, I'd like to share an easy way to get a partner. Go to Instagram, find a hot girl. And then tell Siri what to do. Siri, I want LiWen to be my dance partner.
Okay, that's LiWen.
See? Ask and you shall receive. So now, let's wash those hands to the rhythm. Stay on time and get those hands so clean you can see a reflection in them. Remember to get the back of the hands.
Lovely timing, and look at that shine!
Step 3 to doing great jive, posture. Most people think to have good posture, all you have to do is stand up straight, keep your eyes level, and keep your body centered. Those people are absolutely correct. But this can be challenging, especially if you're lazy and like to binge watch Netflix. Here's a cool trick. Remember that posture is confidence, and confidence is posture. Yes? Yes.
You might be right.
How do you know?
I have a hunch.
Well, let's fix it. Say yes to confidence!
Yes, confidence!
Throw those hands in the air and say yes to confidence!
Yes, confidence!
Yes to confidence! Yes to confidence! Yes to confidence! So let's do the basic with ultimate stretch, posture, confidence, and enthusiasm. Keep your spine enthusiastically erect, correct with respect. If your partner seems to lose enthusiasm, use all your resources to turn her back on. Nice. So remember, posture isn't just posture, it's enthusiasm, it's passion, and it's attitude. It's just basic math. Step 4 to energize your jive is leg action. Think of your knees like pumps, and they're just working back and forth. So, just straighten your right leg and bend that left leg, and then switch, straighten your left knee, bend your right knee, and switch. And switch. And that's the action you're going to use throughout most of your jive. Now wiggle along with us. Good job. Okay, let's put it into the basic. So as you do the basic step, you're going to go ahead and rock back. As you land on the foot, that knee will straighten, that front knee is going to bend. Then we're going to switch it, and that back leg is now bent, the front one is straight. As you step side, you're going to put pressure, bent leg. You're going to scooch in that straight leg, little softness is fine, and then you're going to switcheroo those knees. Back the other way we go. So we got bending it, and scooch it in, and then the knee is bent. It'll straighten as the other one bends. Boom! Leg action. A little bit quicker. So we got and bend straight, bendy, bendy, bend straight, bendy, bend straight. Rock, replace with a bend of the leg, switch it. Bend the leg, switch. So we get bend that knee, back, switch those knees, pump those knees, good. Switch the knees, and bend it, and then straighten it. It'll be bent, and then it'll straighten as the other one bends. Reverse it. Keep on practicing. Step 5 to getting the jive basic down is getting the knees up. You want to feel a lot of looseness in your legs. So you can let those knee pumps, knee lifts, or leg hops have plenty of freedom. All warmed up. You want to get used to lifting your foot up to the level of where your knee is, and then back down again. So we just lift and lower, and lift and lower. We got to get comfortable with that, so let's drill it in there. Let's try the other leg. We just lift it up and lower. Lift it and lower, and lift it and lower. We'll do 2 a side. Here we go. And 1, 2. Other side. And 1, 2. And 1, 2. And 1, 2. Get comfortable with that until it gets pretty easy. It might be hard at first, but that's why we keep practicing it until it becomes a piece of cake. Anytime your foot does not have weight is an opportunity to lift that knee. So, I'm gonna rock back. I got no weight, I can lift it. I got no weight, I can lift it. Now that means I can also lift it anytime my foot goes from point A to point B. But it can be kind of overwhelming to do it everywhere when you're first learning. So that's why we're going to do it in 2 really easy places. Before the rock step and before the chassé. Let's learn it. We're going to get lift and then rock, replace. Lift, side, chassé, lift, side, chassé. Okay, time 2. Repeat many times. And. A different angle from the back. We're gonna get the nifty lifty and back, replace, and now the high and mighty. Side together side, the uppity dumpty, and side together side. Again. Lifting your knees technically lifts your spirits at the same time, so doing this is gonna make you feel amazing. So, Just practice it all the time, at work, at home, at play. See? Amazing. Okay, we're gonna lift those knees on the end count like so. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Now, the Jive actually never really did make up its mind about how to be counted. So there's other ways to count it. Something like, and 1, 2, and 3, a 4, a 3, a 4. Or another option is to go, and quick, 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 quick. Memorize that so you can impress your friends with information that no one cares about. Time to dance to music. Let's go.
How can I become a really good dancer?
Get on the Dance Insanity mailing list, because every week you'll get Feel Good Friday videos and feel good your way to fantastic dancing.
Wow, wow, wow.
And you get info on live classes with Tytus and LiWen. They will really transform your dancing.
I'm signing up.
And you know what else?
What?
You should subscribe to Dance Insanity to get the most fun and creative dance lessons in the world.
I love it.